Okay guys, I've got about half an hour before Tom gets home. I'm gonna try to cut the exhaust out of the Charger before he gets back. One side's done. Side number 2's off.
I just got home from work because I have to work because I don't know why I have to work. Michael said he put a battery in the Daytona. We got some plans this weekend for it.
Tom just told me he was home. I put the Daytona right out there, right back where it was. He'll never know that I moved it. I just told him I put a battery in it. So let's go get his first reaction. It sounds ridiculous. Look at this idiot.
Okay, let me call you back. We're just gonna finish this video before son.
What's up, homie?
What's up, dog? You got the keys? Where's my keys?
I think they're in it.
Okay.
I just tested the battery power out.
All right. Let's roll.
Cold start. Pranked ya, prank invasion. I cut the exhaust out.
I was gonna say, did the mufflers fall off this thing?
Yeah, we got him, guys.
It sounds like a Chevy with cherry bombs. It's so loud here.
I don't like it.
Where did you cut it?
I just went in the what's it called? The engine bay and chopped it right off. They're putting 91 Supreme in there. Okay, we got some supplies.
It's not even funny. Okay, what we're doing, we're gonna head out to the West Country, the mountain area, and run into the bush, and we're gonna find a Christmas tree. So we're actually gonna spend the night probably because we want to go deep in the forest. I learned that from Clark Griswold that you gotta find the perfect tree. Is that Jameson? Okay guys, we got our camp supplies, we got some extra gas because we're going up in the Kookanusa, or what's it called. Now we've been on the road for a few hours now. We just stopped to get some gas like we said. So let's keep trucking.
Guys, we made it.
We're gonna go real deep. We're gonna set up camp and probably set up camp and look for a tree when the sun comes up. So stay posted. Okay guys, we've been walking for a few hours now. How you doing, Michael?
I'm tired.
Okay guys, we're literally lost. Where did you get a Mick Cafe, bro? Are you kidding?
There's a McStand right down the road.
The forest is so thick and dense here. We can barely push our shoulders through. Ah! Okay guys, we found a place to settle down here for the night. So far no sign of any pine trees, but we're optimistic that we're gonna.
I think we went into a poplar forest.
This is a great start to a fire.
Guys, we're out of lighter fluid.
Oh,
I think we're gonna have to start this by friction.
Friction fire. What are we doing here?
Guys, you want to find a good thick stick here, 1 inch at least. Find some dry bark. You put this on here. Get your spinning hands out.
Oh dang!
And you really gotta get that going. You want to do that for about 30 minutes. See that? It's already starting to smoke.
Yeah. Oh, you gotta get oxygen on there. Holy!
There it goes, guys.
Guys, we got it going. Wow, I can't believe I haven't done that since the medieval days. Hey guys, nothing makes a campsite feel like home but a mango here, so we're gonna set them up. Keep guard, watch for cougars, bears, wild boars.
It's scary out here, guys.
It's pretty scary. I'm just playing tough for the camera. Our fire is about to go out. Blow on it quick. Oh, wow, get that oxygen in there. Now, you may think this is just a car channel, but we know how to take care of business in the bush. You want to get real close to your skin there. Oh, son of a... Okay, should we go for a hunt?
I say we go hunting.
What are we hunting?
I don't know what lives in the poplar forest.
See that?
Is that? Get it! Oh!
Oh!
Oh, kill it! Kill it!
Hey, let's get back to the camp, prep this thing for meal. What we've caught here is an armadillo. We're gonna prep it for meal time, so I have a couple.
We have to, unfortunately, remove the head. Oh! The head is gone. It's just
Straight meat
shell
now.
Meat.
All right.
That is, I am excited for this.
That's got some weight to it. You want to get right down the coals there.
It looks delicious.
All right, man, bone apple tea. Okay, guys, I'm getting pretty tired here. We've been out here for a while, so we're gonna call it a day. Set up my bed here. Michael's just getting the fire stocked up for the night. We ate good. We're gonna get that tree tomorrow. Stay tuned. Good morning, guys. It's nice sleep. Gonna get up, sun's coming up. Gonna go look for that perfect Christmas tree. It's been a long journey. We're about 1,400 miles into the bush here, so we'll see. Michael? Michael? Oh. What the... Where is this guy? Michael? What? What the? Dude. Hey, bud. Dude, what's up? Oh man, we gotta get up. We're going Christmas tree hunting.
What happened?
What are you doing? You're like a kilometer away from the fire.
I went to look for more firewood. Fresh coffee in the morning. Oh man, what is that? Disgusting. Whoa!
What are you drinking? Okay, we packed up camp. We're headed off into the forest. Do you see it? Oh!
Pretty sure we ran into a poplar forest. I think the pine forest is down this way. So we're just gonna head that way. Ah!
Gotta clear this path or we'll never get through here. Now we found our Christmas tree. Now it's not the nicest pine on the market, but I think it's the only pine in this forest here.
You can tell that it's a pine because of the way it is. Okay, that tree was much too heavy. There's no way we're carrying it all the way out of here.
Never give up on your dreams. What's up, guys?
Guys, what's up?
We're in a tree. We're scouting for better trees.
Where are the pine trees?
Okay guys, we're getting into some pine country here. As you can see, it's getting pretty thick. Thank goodness. Oh, that is a pine. I want to taste that thing. What do you think? Is that a real pine tree?
Yep.
It's thick.
Guys,
like.
we found it. Here's the tree.
Oh wow. I say we hack them all down, size them up.
I think this is our tree.
Oh.
Perfect height.
Yes.
Nice and thick.
Yes. We found the Christmas tree.
Is that real pine? Well, let's chop it down and we'll get back at you.
That's a lot of damage. This guy's overweight.
Oh. Whoa. Oh! Timber!
Christmas 2019!
That was awesome! That was awesome right there!
Awesome. Okay, get a shot of me with the Christmas tree. Alright? The Christmas card. Okay, let's get this tree out of here. Ah.
Man, that was a long haul.
Yeah, we did. Don't want to scratch the Rizoof.
I'm gonna feel that in the morning.
So we'll get a blanket from Mexico, where we street race. We're gonna put it on the roof. Nice. Back to the crib. Got about a 8-hour drive ahead.
I'm looking for a ride to the North Pole.
Hop in there, buddy. What's up, guys? Made it home back to the fort, dudes. Yeah, that's hot.
Tree set up.
We're gonna go and dig through the attic, find some Christmas tree supplies, maybe run down to the hardware store, decorate this tree.
What is that noise? What? Sam?